Hello everyone, welcome to Career Guides YouTube channel. So today I'll be introducing you about the certification course that Career Guide provides and how to access and buy that course. So first of all you need to go to the official website of careerguide.com, that is www.careerguide.com. So when you google it, it is bit taking time. Yeah. So this is the home page and you can see under counselors section we have different variety of certification courses. So I'll be introducing today about the certification course that is guiding school students. School students particularly means basic which is targeting to the students from class 9th to 12th, and this is the certification course. It consists of 16 lessons, 15 plus hour duration, and this will be whole online course, that is self-paced online course, and in English language. The overview is that it is primarily made up to counsel school students, and it will help you provide the curriculum with the help of different case studies, scenarios, FAQs, and quizzes. So the program is designed in such a case that if anyone wants to do this course, anybody is eligible, any working professional, aspiring educator, aspiring career counselors, teachers, psychologists, and who had studied psychology in their career, abroad consultants, and the students who are on a regular basis, all the future generations career path. You can also even do it as a part-time job, recruiter, HR professionals, edtech entrepreneur, lecturer, professors. So this course is meant for them. Now here is a sample. There we have lot of video resources available on our YouTube channel. So here is one also. You can watch this out. And this is the learning path for guiding school students. First lesson is importance of grade 10th for students for career planning. So it is mainly focused on classes 10 and 12th and even 11th as well, but the main career counseling starts from 9 classes, class from class 9, and these are the testimonials, these are the videos that what counselors are saying after doing this certification course. And if you want to buy this certification course, so if you want to buy, just click here the buy certification course, and then you have to fill in details and you have to buy this. So let me also tell you that process. So when you will click here, you will be redirected to this. Make sure here the ticket is one. And when you will click on proceed to checkout, so this is about 17,700. The course costs. And here you have to fill in your billing details, your credentials, essential ones. And then here's a razor pay. You have to just place order like this. Fine. Now, now I'm going to tell you about that how this course you have to access. So we'll be providing you this link, that is careerguide.com career course login. We will provide you the login details, that is your email ID and password. You can reset that password as well later on. So when you will log in here to our portal, you will be having your particular career guide account on our website. Here your profile will come up, name, username, email ID, and earned course points. Okay, so and as soon as you will complete these courses, you will be getting points for that. Okay, you will be earning points, and here you can check the status of the course, that how how much the course you have done or which course you have completed. And here the certification will be available, that whether you are eligible for the certification or not. So this is the first course that comes, that is certification course for guiding graduates. No, sorry, this is not that. Um Certification course for guiding school students. Yeah, this one. This is the course. that firstly comes up in the career counseling journey. Okay, so here instructors credentials are given. Course progress, you can check the course progress here, like I can show you this lesson 1. Lesson 1 is about importance of grade 10 for students for career planning, and again there are subtopics under this lesson, and this is how videos you will get, and external resources, YouTube video, seminar. Okay, you can also even check this. This is the external resource that is from our YouTube channel. You can check out this video. And if I move back, so as soon as you will complete watching this all lessons, you will here put mark complete, and you will be then redirected to the another topic. Again you will put mark complete. So this is how your career this career course will progress. Also you can check out some career related blog posts which will help you also understanding other aspects of career counseling. You can use them as e-resources to enhance your counseling practice. Like for example, these are the blogs which are really helpful. You can study them also along with the videos. Okay, now if I move back to the course progress, now here also quiz is also there. Importance of grade 10 for students for career planning quiz, and here the status will come up. So if I show you this quiz, how this looks like. So the quiz is related to the video only. So until and unless you will complete the topic, you will not be able to access the quiz. Okay, you can only access the quiz. There's some few questions you have to just answer them and then move on to the next lesson. And as soon as you will move on to the second lesson, the status will show up complete. Okay, and there are total 16 lessons you can see in the certification course, right? So not only this, these are the videos, and also we will be providing external resources, PDF material in the drive, and a lot more e-material which are also available, which along with the certification course, and it's very cost effective. You can see it's about 17,700, so it's really beneficial for career counseling. And I hope that this video helps you a lot in understanding the course details and how to purchase it. Okay, now if I also show you, and if you have any query related to this course, you can contact us here by clicking contact us. Here is the office address, and also the phone number is provided. You can contact us by this phone number, and the respective email IDs are given for the respective areas. Also you can register your query by providing your credentials here. Okay, and thank you so much for watching.